Efficient data cleaning and validation with SAS Base. Data cleaning and validation are crucial steps in the data management process, as they help in improving data quality, making informed decisions, and ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. What is data cleaning? Data cleaning, also known as data scrubbing, is the process of detecting and correcting errors in datasets to improve data quality. Cleaning raw data? This can be done by using SAS programming to apply data cleaning techniques such as removing duplicates, correcting data entry errors, and filling in missing values with imputed data. Data scrubbing methods. Data profiling involves analyzing the data to identify patterns, correlations, and inconsistencies that may need to be addressed during the data cleaning process. What is data validation? Data validation is the process of ensuring that the data meets certain quality standards and is free from errors and inconsistencies. It involves performing checks and validations on the data to detect anomalies, outliers, and discrepancies that may affect the integrity of the data. Error detection in datasets. This can be done by using SAS programming to perform data validation checks such as range validations, format validations, and logic validations to ensure that the data is accurate and reliable for analysis. Conclusion. In conclusion, efficient data cleaning and validation with SAS Base is essential for ensuring the accuracy, reliability, and quality of data in today's data-driven world.